Hello, I'm Samantha Flowers, a.k.a. Mimi. I own and operate a commercial worm farm right here in Valdosta, Georgia. We have over 22,000 square feet of dedicated worm growing space. On our farm, we grow in about 96 4x8 wooden worm beds and over 100 stackable 4x4 bins. In total, we care for millions of composting worms every single day. Through Mimi's Worms, we ship healthy composting worms, castings, and starter bundles all across the country. And through mimisworms.com, spelled M-I-M-I-S, worms.com, I share in-depth training, courses, and free resources to teach you exactly how we do it, whether you're a beginner or building something big. So if you're into composting, soil health, or worm farming, you're in the right place. I'm Mimi, and this is Mimi's Worms.
Hello everyone, it's Mimi again from Mimi's Worms. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've probably noticed something different. I don't just teach people how to raise worms, I teach people how to build a worm business. And today I want to share something that I've never really talked about before. I call it the Mimi's Worm Business Roadmap. Because here's the truth, not everyone should own a commercial worm farm. I know that sounds strange coming from someone who owns one, but I've spent years building this business. I've invested in buildings, equipment, breeder beds, grow out beds, mixers, harvesters, and everything that goes along with it. And if I could sit down with someone who's just getting started, I wouldn't tell them to build what I've built. I'd tell them to build the business that's right for them, because not everyone's the same. Not everyone has the same dreams. And I get emails every single week from people asking, Mimi, how many beds do I need? Should I build a warehouse? Should I buy a trommel? Should I quit my job and start raising worms? And my answer is always, maybe, but maybe not. Because the biggest mistake I see people make is buying equipment before they have customers. You don't need a warehouse to sell worms. You don't need a skid steer. You don't need a mixer. You don't need hundreds of worm beds. But what you do need first is a plan. So let me show you the different phases that I see, or the different paths that I see. Number one, the hobbyist. Maybe you just want to grow worms for your garden. And if you do, that's fine. That's great. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Learn how worms work. Have fun and enjoy the process. Path two, the side hustle. Maybe you want to make an extra few $100s a month. You don't need a huge farm for that. You don't need employees. You don't need expensive equipment. You can build something profitable with the space that you already have. And then there's path three, the reseller. This is where I think a lot of people miss an opportunity. Instead of trying to grow thousands of pounds of worms, buy them from a trusted supplier. Resell them. Build your customer base and learn marketing. Learn customer service. Learn shipping. Learn how to run a business. You might discover you enjoy selling worms a whole lot more than producing them. And then there's path four, the commercial producer. Now, I love raising worms. If you enjoy building systems, if you love raising worms, if you're fascinated by breeding, feeding, harvesting, and improving production, then commercial production may be exactly where you belong. That's the path I chose. And then there's path three, the distributor. Some people don't want to raise every worm themselves. They want to supply garden centers, bait shops, schools, other worm farms, or online stores. That's completely different business, and it's a great business. And then there's path six, the educator. This one, surprise. Over the years, I've realized people don't just want worms, they want someone to teach them. So maybe your business becomes workshops, consulting, school programs, YouTube, or helping others get started. The big lesson? There isn't one right way to build a worm business. There are a lot of right ways. Don't compare yourself to someone with thousands of pounds of worms. Compare yourself to where you want to be. If your dream is making $500 a month, that's success. If your dream is owning a commercial worm farm, that's success too. The goal isn't to build the biggest business. The goal is to build the business that fits your life. So what I'm going to teach you is over the next several months, I'm going to build this roadmap for you. We'll talk about how to raise worms, how to buy and resell worms, how to know when it's time to expand, how to avoid spending money you don't need to spend, and how to make your first sale, how to build customers, how to grow a commercial operation, and everything that I've learned, I'm going to share with you. If this sounds like something you've been looking for, subscribe to our channel, and down in the comments, I want you to answer one question for me. Which path are you on today? Are you a hobbyist, a side hustler, a reseller, a commercial producer, or maybe you want to teach others someday? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.